Okay, so you're probably thinking to yourself, Mrs. Thomas, I already turned mine in. I know I did. And you're right. What I found was that there were a couple of adjustments that we need to make before we can call yours finished. So what you're going to do is you are going to come to your Google Classroom, whether you're a rabbit or a turtle. You'll go to your Google Classroom. You're going to go to classwork. And you're going to click on this very first assignment, predicting the weather facts. So when you click on this, you're going to go ahead and it should bring you to something that looks like this. Yours might look a little different than mine. I think there's like a little button over here that says turn in, and you should be allowed to click it now because I've returned it to you. Before you return it back in, I want you to look for a comment from me. And that's going to tell you exactly what you need to adjust before turning it back in. Once you turn it back in after you make those adjustments, you're good to go. You're finished for the day. Okay? But I want you to make those adjustments. So look for a comment from me. I wrote it on Google Classroom just to you. And then I also wrote it on your assignment. So like at the very bottom, it's going to be in orange and blue. And it's going to say, hi, so-and-so, this is what I need you to fix. Okay? If you have any questions about this, you know you can always just comment on the Google Classroom stream.